Good morning, everybody. I'm Tammy Morales. I'm the Seattle City Council member representing District 2.
Hi, I'm Valenta. I work at HomeSight and I support the MLK Business Association and on board Othello.
I'm Luanda, Arai. I'm with the Office of Immigrant and Refugee Affairs.
I'm Amani. I'm with Councilmember Morales. I oversee the OIRA policy work.
My name is Lynn. I hope you all know me, especially you. I'm with OIRA, and I'm so happy to be here. Thank you so much, Councilmember Morales, for coming out. It's amazing. I got goosebumps.
Good morning, everyone. My name's Evelyn, and I work with Councilmember Morales' office as well. I work as her district director.
Hi everyone, I'm Tammy Morales, the Seattle City Council member who represents South Seattle. And this morning we have been touring some of the small businesses down here along MLK. There's a lot of work that we need to do to support our small businesses down here. We visited King Plaza and talked to some business owners there. And now we are here near the Alnor in Little Saigon Square. New Saigon Square. Meeting with the Somali community about their vision for creating space here that can really anchor the community with thriving small businesses, housing, a mosque, and really excited that the city is going to try to support the vision so that this community does not get displaced.
Good morning, this is Dr. Ahmed Ali, Somali Health Board Executive Director. We're here this morning with Council Member Tammy Morales, Hugh Tran, and the rest of the community here in Southeast Seattle, particularly here at Alnor Community Center, and hoping to map out and figure out what the next vision for the folks and small businesses in the area looks like. And we really appreciate the city of Seattle coming in and seeing the community where it is, where we work, and some of the programs that we facilitate here. Thank you, and special gratitude to Hugh Tran for organizing this and the rest of the team that organized this as well.
Hello. How you doing?
Hi, David. Hey.
Doing good.
Today, City Council. Okay.
Can we get you to introduce your name,
Yes.
sir?
So my name is Haji. I'm one of the instructors at this driving school. Yeah. So the school, we've been operating almost quite about 10 years right now, or more. So basically, our primary goal is how we can train students to become safe drivers. And we also train adults who wants to get their license or who never been driven before. So we do train them. Yep.
How long does the program last?
It all depends if the person they never had any driving experience. Usually it will last about 3 months. But if they had a driving experience, usually it's between a month to a month and a half. Okay. Yep. Currently, we're doing pretty good, so there is no specific needs that we need right now at this moment.
So tweet them up for the city, for council members? All right, cool.
No pressure.
All right, cool.
Yep.
Good to hear. Good to hear.
Well, I have a 15-year-old, so we may be coming by after basketball season this winter.
I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Do you teach the classes in multiple languages, or?
No, we only teach in English, but we do give the knowledge exam, which means when they want to get their instructional permit, so we do have it in the various languages. So whatever the Department of Licensing provided us, and then we actually try to provide. So one of the languages that usually people they ask a lot, since there's right now a lot of Afghani communities coming into Seattle, so we do not have any of that languages. So probably it's something that we need to write to the Department of Licensing asking if they can add this language. And also we notice a lot of Turkish coming in, and we don't have any Turkish.
It's good to know.
Yeah.
Something we can ask for.
Yeah. Because the community is growing, so the only language I think we have is English, Spanish, French,
Somali.
Vietnamese. No, we don't have Somali at all.
Okay.
Yeah, we do not have a Somali language. So there's only a few languages that we have.
Okay.
But as the community is growing and expanding, we might need to add additional languages. And that
Thank you for listening. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Runta News channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.